In our genomes, we have thousands of genes, and they need to be switched on and off and be turned up and down. So in the genome, there are also regulatory sequences, so small elements that bind proteins. We call these regulatory sequences enhancers. They can both enhance and repress the expression of genes.
So the general aim of our empathy network is to understand how enhancers actually work, but not only from a basic point of view, but also how they work in the context of different human diseases.
The major challenges are now to bring in new molecular data, to establish models for enhancer activity, basal activity of enhancers, how enhancers work together in larger regulatory domains. And none of these projects could be done without the interdisciplinary flavor.
So at ENHPATHY, I think we really try to prepare the next generation of biomedical scientists, because over the years it's clear that the profile of these scientists has changed from more a qualitative scientist with the pipette in hand to a data scientist who will now be asked to sit behind a computer and make sense of data.
And because the evolution of the enhancer field in terms of research has been so fast during the last years, we face a problem, which is most of the researchers that we used to work with enhancers do not have this multidisciplinary training, growing from very basic biology techniques to computational biology and finally to translational medicine.
The fact of being part of ENHPATHY with such high-level researchers, it allows us to bring new technologies or new applications that make sense and that help these researchers in their field.
At the heart of the program, there is the recruitment of 15 PhD students. The PhD students are going to be involved in a heavy load training program in different aspects like bioinformatics, genomics, translational research, but also soft skills that will help there to develop their future careers.
So studying in depth how enhancers work and how mutations in enhancers affect disease development is a relatively new field, and therefore I think it's super important to have a training program like ENHPATHY that really focuses on this topic.
So my name is Olga Pushkareva. I'm Russian, born in Phoenix, Arizona, in the United States. My expectations are to improve my soft skills and professional skills and to expand my network by participating in different events, collaborations, and secondments.
I'm Robert Baber. I'm from Germany, from the beautiful North Sea island of Sylt. My main expectation, first of all, is that I gain a lot of new skills through the training. Especially, I come from a different background, more physics background, so I gain more the genomics knowledge, and of course, building a great network.
So my name is Vartika. I come from India, the north part of India, and right now I'm in the Netherlands. I think empathy is very important in the sense of bringing together a community. I don't feel isolated at all during my PhD because now I can interact with so many other PIs, other research groups who are looking at the same problem but in a very different perspective. So also it's a knowledge transfer, which I'm really looking forward to, and by far I'm having a very good experience.